Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the keyboard is connected and using the layout you expect. This avoids mapping errors later. Next, enable system hotkeys and a secondary layout if you need symbols or alternate languages, because consistency prevents mistakes. Then open a launcher and install a clipboard manager and text expander so you can automate repeats. Once done, test basic navigation. Arrows, tab, escape. Modifier keys. You want reliable response before advancing to workflow shortcuts and macros. You now build the middle of your system by mapping consistent shortcuts across apps. Do this because muscle memory depends on repetition. Assign global shortcuts for window management and virtual desktops, then create app-specific hotkeys for frequent commands. Use chained macros to automate multi-step tasks, and employ layers or remapped modifiers like turning caps lock into a control key to expand available combinations. Make sure to document and practice each new sequence so you internalize the workflow without looking down. You finish by synchronizing profiles to other devices and saving a backup of mappings so you can restore quickly after changes. Then refine macro timings and add confirmation steps where mistakes would be costly, because reliability beats raw speed. If something fails, first check drivers and firmware, then look for conflicting utilities or global hotkeys. Also verify battery and connection type. If problems persist, revert to a simple profile to isolate the issue, and then reintroduce custom mappings one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.